Before we go further, we need to reset what the word garden means inside of GrowTrack. In GrowTrack, a garden is not your whole yard or property. A garden is a growing space. It is a defined area where conditions are similar and crops experience the same environment. This matters because GrowTrack responds to the conditions, not labels. A back garden is one garden, a front garden is another. A greenhouse or polytunnel is its own garden. A tropical garden, well-being garden, or a separate group of beds is also a garden. Each one has its own microclimate. Sun exposure changes, wind behaves differently, heat is held or lost, frost arrives earlier or later. GrowTrack needs these spaces separated so it can respond accurately. A garden groups beds that share similar conditions. Beds inside the same garden experience the same broad environment, even if they differ in detail. This is why gardens exist. Garden data shapes how GrowTrack understands your season. Your weather information is tied to each garden. Frost dates respond to garden location and shelter. Seasonal timing adapts to where and how you grow. If GrowTrack gets the garden right, everything else becomes more accurate. You do not need to create a garden for every single bed. Beds handle detail, gardens handle environment. A simple rule helps you. If the growing conditions are meaningfully different, it deserves its own garden. If conditions are broadly the same, keep beds together. Gardens do not track crops directly. They do not create tasks on their own. They do not manage spacing or timing. Gardens set the scene. Beds and plantings do the work. Taking a moment to define gardens correctly saves time later. It improves alerts, it improves recommendations, it improves trust in the system. Once gardens are clear, beds become more powerful. In the next video, we will look at beds and explain how they bring precision inside each growing space.